How to clear and start over in H&R Block Online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in HRblock and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now at the top right, you're going to see 3 bars. Click on that. Then select the option of sign in to my block. Now here you have to provide your credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account tab and select View Return to access your current tax return. In the menu, find the Tools section, click on Clear and Start Over. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm that you want to clear your return and start over. This action will delete all the data entered so far. After clearing your data, you will be redirected to the beginning of the tax preparation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to start entering your tax information from scratch. As you proceed with your new return, remember to save your progress regularly. H&R Block automatically saves your data, but it's a good practice to manually save after completing each section. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, H&R Block offers support via chat, phone, or in-person appointments. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Clearing and restarting your tax return in H&R Block Online is straightforward. Follow these steps to ensure you can start fresh and accurately complete your tax return. Thanks for watching.